Small business optimism. Check on inflation. UK uncertainty. These are the three things that can make you money on Tuesday. On Tuesday, the National Federation of Independent Business will release the Small Business Optimism Index, which has been at an all-time high. But the future outlook for small businesses took a hit in April when Congress was unable to address the concerns of small businesses, particularly the high cost of healthcare to small companies. We might start to see a reversal of that optimism tomorrow and a continuation of the downward trend in prices that started in April. The PPI final demand reading will come out on Tuesday, and this is a major factor in Fed decisions. The Fed is widely anticipated to raise rates later this week with a 92% probability priced into the Fed funds futures market. This matters to the markets in many ways, but the most direct is to banks, whose earnings are being hurt as the short end of the curve moves up. Since Theresa May's snap election results lost the Conservative majority, the question of Brexit is back in the headlines. The FTSE 100 has been trading sideways with all the political uncertainty, and continuing questions around the UK hung parliament and the post-election turmoil could send the stock index deeper into the red along with the sterling. For Trading Nation, I'm Gina Sanchez, and those are the three things that can make you money on Tuesday.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.